Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see about container orchestration. Before moving further, let us see what is Kubernetes. Kubernetes is an open source system for automatic deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. Kubernetes is also an orchestration tool for containerized application. Starting with the collection of Docker containers, Kubernetes can control resource allocation and traffic management for cloud applications and microservices. Basically, Kubernetes is responsible for deploying images and containers, managing the scaling of containers and clusters, resource balancing containers, and traffic management for services. Now, let us see what is container. Containers are best suited to deliver microservices by providing portable and isolated environment. Microservices are lightweight applications written in various modern programming languages, along with their specific dependencies, libraries, and environmental requirements. To ensure that an application has everything it needs, it is packed together with its dependencies. Container encapsulate microservices and their dependencies, but do not run them directly. Containers run container images. Container image bundles the application along with its runtime libraries and dependencies, and it represents the source of the container deployed to offer an isolated executable environment for the applications. Containers are best suited to deliver microservices. In this figure, you can see that there are three different containers. Each container consists of application files along with its libraries and binary files. Then the container runtime provides the runtime environment for these containers to get executed. Operating system is nothing but the host operating system which is running on a machine, and the hardware includes all the hardware components such as RAM, processor, etc. Now let us see what is container orchestration. All the applications and services need to meet specific requirements such as fault tolerance, on-demand scalability, optimal resource usage, accessibility from the outside world, seamless update and rollback without any downtime. So the container orchestration are the tools which group system together to form a cluster where containers deployment and management is automated at scale while meeting the above requirements. Now let us see working of container orchestration. When you use container orchestration tool such as Kubernetes, we need to describe the configuration of an application using either an YAML or a JSON file. The configuration file tells the configuration management tool where to find the container image and how to establish a network. When deploying a new container, the container management tool automatically schedules the deployment to a cluster and finds the right host, taking into account any defined requirements or restrictions. The orchestration tool then manages the container's lifecycle based on the specification that were demanded in a composed file. In this figure, you can see that the first layer is of web applications and services. These are the applications which use container orchestration. Then container orchestration consists of three different layers, that is service management layer, scheduling layer, and resource management layer. Service management layer manages all the services based on the requirement. The scheduling layer is responsible to schedule all the tasks. Resource management layer is used to manage and allocate appropriate resources to the container as per the requirements. Container runtime provides the runtime environment for the container to get executed. Machine infrastructure layer consists of all the hardware resources such as RAM, processor, etc. So this was all about the container orchestration. Thank you.